What is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of matter. This may sound simple, but chemistry is a complex and broad topic that covers a wide variety of fields. From the core of the Earth to the farthest reaches of the universe, chemistry is everything and everywhere. Chemistry, a definition. Chemistry is the study of matter, including its composition, properties, and structure, how it changes, and how it interacts with energy. This is a pretty simple definition that sums up what is actually a complex and fascinating subject. If you have ever asked why or how something is in the natural world, odds are good that your question and the answer were related to chemistry. For instance, why is the sky blue? Colors depend on the chemical makeup of substances and what kind of light they reflect. How does an insect walk across the surface of a pond without falling through? The unique properties of water give it a high surface tension, which means that small objects can rest on it without sinking. Chemistry is all around, and anything related to matter involves chemistry. Main branches of chemistry. Since chemistry is such a broad and vast subject, we can divide it up into more manageable topics to help us more accurately. 1. Organic chemistry. 2. Inorganic chemistry. 3. Analytical chemistry. 4. Physical chemistry. 5. Biochemistry. We will learn more about these topics as we go on.